Peace be upon you. Today we're going to talk about an amazing lesson, which is exponents. This lesson is an amazing, really an easy lesson. As a beginning, we're going to talk about introduction, not the whole lesson, because we're going to deal with like laws of exponents, the rules of exponents, inshallah, next times. First of all, we're going to talk about exponents here in a state of writing 3 by 3 by 3 by 3 by 3. We can write it as 3 power 5, okay? Then, instead of writing 2 by 2 by 2, we can write it as 2 power 3 because we repeat it 3 times. Then this value stands for the base. This is the base here. And this value is the exponent or power or index. Any word of them. We call it exponent, we call it power, we call it index. Then here he said, as a positive integer, if you have a power n, that means a value repeated n times. Then we're gonna say that a is the base, as I said, and n is the exponent or power or index, whatever. For example, another one, 3 by 3 by 3 by 3. Then how many times? 4 times, right? Then 3 power 4 means 3 by 3 by 3 by 3. This is the main idea behind exponent. Then, what about negative bases? If you have -1 or -2, and it's power to 1, power 1, or power 2, 3, 4. If it's to the even power, should be positive as a result. If it's raised to an odd power, it becomes negative. For example, here we have -1 power 2. This is even or odd? Even, right? Then -1 by -1 becomes 1. So the result should be positive, right? What about if it's raised to an odd value, such as 3, for example? It becomes -1 by -1 by -1. Then -1 by -1 becomes 1. By -1 becomes -1, and the result should be negative in the scenario. Then let's deal with examples. The first example, he said, list the first 6 powers of 2 and 3 and 4. Simply 2 power 1 becomes 2, 2 power 2 becomes 4, and 2 power 3 becomes 2 by 2 by 2, which is 8. And then 2 power 4 becomes, let's use this one, 2 power 4 becomes 16, and then 2 power 5 becomes 32. You can use your own calculator, by the way, right now. And 2 power 6 becomes 64. Okay, what about the second question, which is 3? If you need to find the first powers, 6 powers for 3, same procedure. 3 power 1, 3, and 3 power 2 becomes 9, and 3 power 3 becomes 27, and 3 power 4, and 3 power 4 becomes 81, and 3 power 5 becomes 243. And the last one, 3 power 6 becomes here, 3 power 6 becomes 729. The last one, which is 4, let's deal with 4. 4 power 1, 4. 4 power 2, 16. And 4 power 3 becomes 64. And 4 power 4 becomes difficult. 4 power 4 becomes 256, and 4 power 5 becomes, let's try it, 4 power 5 becomes 1024, and 4 power 6 finally, I'm sorry, this is 4 power 6 becomes 4096. Let's move on to the next example, which is here. We're going to deal with the second example. He said, copy and complete the values of these common powers. Then 5 power 1 becomes 5, obviously. And this is 25. I think 125. Then 5 power 3 becomes 100. Yes, 125. And the last one, 5 power 4. I think it becomes 625, right? 625. What about 6 power 1, 6, 6 power 2, 36. But 6 power 3 becomes 216. And then 6 power 4, it becomes 1,296. 1,296. What about 7 power 1, 7, 7 power 2, 49. I like it. It's not difficult. Okay, then 7 power 3 becomes 343. And the last one, 7 power 4, 7 power 4, it becomes 2,401. Okay, about these questions, it's your turn to solve these questions, these exercises, and you're going to find the solution, the mark scheme, the model answer in the attached file or the next file. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your time. Wa assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.